Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming what you already have and why it matters. Check settings system about to verify addition and 32/64-bit architecture, so you pick the right installer. Once done, back up your important files to an external drive or cloud to avoid data loss. Make sure you have at least 20 GB free and a valid Windows 10 Pro key or linked digital license. This prevents activation problems during or after the upgrade. You next get the installation media. Download the media creation tool and create a bootable USB or run it for an in-place upgrade. This improves compatibility and keeps your apps. When prompted, run setup. Exe and choose upgrade this PC now to retain files and programs. Make sure to accept the license terms, pick Windows 10 Pro if options appear, and enter your product key when requested. Doing this step by step reduces errors and keeps you finish by allowing the installation to complete and the PC to reboot as many times as needed. Do not cut power mid-process because that can corrupt the system. Once booted, go to Settings Update and Security Activation and sign in with your Microsoft account to link the digital license. This makes future reinstalls seamless. Finally, install vendor drivers and run Windows Update to apply security patches and feature updates so your Pro install runs reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.